Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Achieve It. Today I am here with the topic growth and development, which is the part of child psychology and educational psychology and useful for MEd, BA, TET, CTET and all the examination where psychology is the part. Before starting, I will request you to subscribe my channel. Let's begin it. We know very well that human life is a result of cycle of growth and development. It starts from cell and develop in human when it interrelate with environment. According to meaning, growth and development is a physical, intellectual, social and emotional change in human body. Where is the term growth only a part of development of physical growth in the life of an individual? The term development refer overall development of an individual like physical, intellectual, social and emotional. Where growth is a physical change, development is the overall growth that occur in an individual's life throughout their lifespan. Britannica Encyclopedia define it an increase in size or the amount of an entity is called growth. In 1962, Crow and Co. defined it. Growth refers to an increase in physical size of whole or any of its part and can be measured. Harlock defined it in changes in size, interposition, disappearance of old features and acquisition of new one is called growth. Now we'll understand the definition of development. According to Skinner, development is a continuous process. In 1965, Crow and Crow told that development concerned with growth as well as those changes in behavior which results from environmental situation. Britannica Encyclopedia express that the progressive change in size, shape, and function during the life of an organism by which its genetic potential are the translated into functioning adult system is development. We can summarize the definition in few points. These are changes in the height, weight, length, and age are the identification of term growth. It is quantitative in nature. Growth is one of the part of development. Growth does not continue throughout life. It stops once maturity is attained. Growth is quantitative process and can be matured. These points are some of definition of development. According to it, development identified in overall changes, shape, intelligence and structure. It is qualitative character. Development is broader. It refers physical, mental, emotional and social development. Development is continuous process and it runs throughout the life. Development is improvement in functioning and behavior and hence bring quality change which are difficult to be measured directly. In the different stage of life, growth and development used to change in an individual. These stages are prenatal, which is called pre-birth stage, stage of infancy, childhood stage, adolescence stage, and adulthood. Prenatal stage starts from conception to birth. Stage of infancy from birth to 2 year, childhood stage 3 to 12 year, adolescence 13 to 19 year, and adulthood from 20 year till death. In these areas, growth and development used to take place. Human life has to undergo through these development. It is social development, physical development, language development, intellectual development, and moral development. Mainly, three development is used to categorize in three main development, which is physical development, social development, and cognitive development. Intellectual, emotional, and moral development used to sum with social development. And language development is concerning part of cognitive development. These are the principle of growth and development. First is continuity. We can see continuity in human life. From cell, it used to develop in full body. Second principle is rate of growth and development is not uniform. We can easily trace this principle in the earlier year it is fast and in the later year of childhood it is very slow. From cell to development in human body it just used to take 1 or 1.5 year, but after that the development and growth rate is very slow. Next principle of growth and development is uniformity of pattern. For example, the species are similar like human being are from similar category, male are in one category, female are in one category. Even the development of language and motor skill is similar in all human being almost. Fourth principle of development and growth is development proceeds from general to specific responses. For example, general activity followed by specific activity. We can see the language development in child from letter to word, then able to construct meaningful sentence. In the fifth principle of integrity, after certain age, general to specific and specific to general activities are combined in use. Kuppuswamy 1971 observed thus involve a whole to the part and from the parts to the whole. According to principle of interrelation, physical, social, mental aspect of growth and development are interrelated dependent on each other. For example, if a child is not good in intellectual ability, it used to develop inferiority complex also, and socially, even physically, used to develop in slow rate of development. Development is predictable according to this principle. If a child's mental ability in 1 year is a very high, we can predict that this child is very sharp and intelligent in future. According to eighth principle of direction, the growth and development used to move in one direction. For example, from head to foot and from the center to the periphery. Last principle of growth and development is spiral, not linear. According to this principle, it is not straight but for some period used to stop and turn back. This is called spiral. Two theory of development is very important from this topic. This is cognitive development from Jean Piaget 1970 and psychosocial development from Erik Erikson 1963, which we are going to read in my next video. Please like and subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.